Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you to how to lock your WhatsApp app. Both Android and iPhone. So watch the video to end so that you not miss any steps. How to lock your WhatsApp app, both Android and iOS. That's iPhone. So let's start. You launch your WhatsApp like this. You open your WhatsApp. The moment you open your WhatsApp, you see your right hand side corner top. You see there's a 3 lines dot. Right hand side corner top. Please, our motive is to lock WhatsApp app. So let's go. 3 hands, the top dot on your right hand side corner, you click. The moment you click, a drop-up menu will appear. You see settings. You click on the settings. You click here, it will bring you here. Here you see account, privacy, avatar, list, chat, notifications, all these things count. So here our motive is to lock WhatsApp app. You click on the privacy, it will bring you here. So here you scroll down small, you see lock, app lock. You see there's a menu here, so you go to app lock. You click on it. You see, you click and you highlight it, so you lock your WhatsApp by clicking. See, biometric is not yet set. You go to your device settings. You go to settings on your device. So you go to screen lock or lock screen. You click here. So here it's asking of the either face or fingerprint. So I'll choose fingerprint. Now continue. Yes. So use your fingerprint to scan. Yes. So use your fingerprint to scan. So it will reach 100%. So I'm using my fingerprint to scan. Yeah. I'm using my fingerprint to scan it. Yes. So you click done. So from here, you move here. You move to WhatsApp. You highlight here. Scan your fingerprint. So I'll scan my fingerprint. After you scan your fingerprint, that's what will come. So to lock it immediately, you choose the first one immediately. To lock it in 1 hour time, in 30 minutes time, you choose 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it will lock. To lock it after 1 minute, you lock or you click or you choose whatever you want. Your WhatsApp will automatically done. But you can receive WhatsApp calls or you can answer WhatsApp calls. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.